Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Finding the radius of convergence for this power series is actually super fast if you use the ratio test. Let's solve this problem right now. First, we apply the ratio test by taking the limit of the absolute value of the next term divided by the current term. This helps us see how the series behaves. As n goes to infinity, the factorial in the denominator grows much faster than the exponential part. This means the entire limit will always go to 0 for any finite x. Since the limit is 0 and less than 1, the series converges everywhere. The radius of convergence is infinite, so option D is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi, watch signs and avoid rushing, trust given values and check steps for option D.